Hey guys, I'm Danielle and today I'm doing an unboxing of my spring FabFitFun box. So I have been a subscriber of FabFitFun for almost 4 years. I freaking love this box. I rave about it to absolutely everybody, and it is just one of the best parts of each quarter. So if you're curious about what FabFitFun is, how it works, the whole process, check out my review that I have linked down in the description, and it'll give you literally all the details you need to know. But basically, it is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box that has goodies ranging from home, fitness, beauty, literally a little of everything. My personal favorite thing about this box is that they have so many customization options now so that you can really personalize the products that are in your box. So I'm an annual subscriber, which means I pay one time a year instead of each quarter, which gives me even more options to customize my box. But even if you just subscribe on a quarterly basis or just try one box, you still get the option to select some of the products that are in your box, so you ensure that you're getting exactly what you want. So now that I'm talking about this, I'm really excited. So let's just open it and see what's inside. Ooh, this one comes with stickers. How cute. And then they always have the FabFitFun magazine, which just has a lot of fun articles. It talks about all the different products that are in your box in terms of how much they cost. There's articles on how to use them, who created them, the companies that are behind the products, all of that kind of jazz. So it's kind of a fun little resource to just flip through. So the first thing that is right on top is a nail polish, Be Your Incredible Self. So it's just like a really nice pale pink, perfect for summer. I don't really use nail polish a lot, but usually things that I don't particularly want, I gift to like my nieces or my mom or my friends, and they make really, really great gifts, especially because everything in your boxes is always going to be full size. Oh, I'm so excited for this. So these are 4 gold foil lip masks. It says suns out, pouts out. Love that. I love lip masks, so I'm super excited to try those. So this is one of the items that I customized. So when they do the customizations, they basically give you like 4 or 5 products that you get to choose from, and then you get to select which one is your favorite. So this is one that I really wanted. It's a pair of little slippers. They look so cozy. They're nice light pink, super cute. Another item that I customized are these coasters. So here they are opened up. How fun for summer. I love those. And then I got a refreshing cleansing gel from Ahava. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I've used this brand before for other things and I really, really like it. So I'm excited to try their facial cleanser. Ooh, Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening. Oh, that looks so fun. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to try that just from the packaging alone. See, I feel like with FabFitFun, I've been able to try so many different types of products and different brands that I never would have tried before. So that's definitely one of my favorite aspects, is just being able to like branch out and try new things, especially when it comes to skincare, hair care, makeup, all of that. Oh, so this is a little tweezer set, or tweezers with pouch. So this is from the brand Summer and Rose, which I've definitely heard of. Oh, that is so cute. So there's the little tweezer and the little pouch. And then last is another product that I customized for my box, and it is this gorgeous tray. Let me take it out for you. I wish you guys could feel this thing because it is sturdy. I'll be honest, when I picked it out, I wasn't expecting it to be like anything super, super nice, but this thing is like thick. I'm so excited to use this on our table. Some flowers. I love it. So those are all the goodies that came in my spring FabFitFun box. If you want to give it a try yourself, click the link down in my description, and you can also use the promo code that's right next to it to get $10 off of your first box. Like I said, I have been a loyal subscriber for a long time. Highly recommend, can't recommend it enough. Go check it out, give it a try, let me know what you think, and if you have questions, leave a comment below or check out my review linked in the description, and otherwise, I'll talk to you guys later.